Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Herbalife. Huel focuses on providing nutritionally complete meals designed for convenience and overall health. Herbalife, on the other hand, offers a range of weight management and nutrition products, primarily distributed through a network of independent sellers. Both companies aim to support various dietary goals, but their approaches to product formulation, distribution, and overall philosophy differ significantly. We will explore these distinctions to help you understand which option might best suit your needs. Let's delve into the nutritional aspects. Huel products are formulated to be nutritionally complete, offering a balanced blend of protein, carbohydrates, fats, and all 26 essential vitamins and minerals. For example, a typical Huel serving provides around 400 calories, with 30 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. Herbalife's Formula 1 shakes, however, typically contain about 90 to 100 calories per serving, with 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of sugar. Huel primarily uses plant-based ingredients such as oats, pea protein, and flaxseed, while Herbalife often features soy protein isolate and fructose. When considering cost and how these products reach you, there are clear differences. Huel operates predominantly on a direct-to-consumer model, selling online and offering subscription discounts, which can bring the cost per meal down to around $2 to $3. Herbalife, conversely, utilizes a multi-level marketing structure, where independent distributors sell products directly to customers. This means Herbalife product prices can fluctuate, as distributors often set their own retail prices, and there are various programs and bundles available. Finally, let's look at their core philosophies and who they are best suited for. Huel champions nutritionally complete, convenient food for individuals with demanding schedules, often appealing to those seeking a plant-based and consistent dietary solution. Herbalife, on the other hand, centers its approach on weight management and offers personalized support through its distributor network, which can be attractive to those who thrive with community and structured programs. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize independent, complete nutrition or a guided, community-driven weight management journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.